What's up, YouTube? Doswell Beats back with another video. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. All right, today what we doing? We just gonna make a beat from scratch, man. A Kai MPC Key 61 software, some VSTs, and we going to work. All right, that's what we doing today. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's get it. All right, let's go. Let's get it, man. Let's make something. All right, let's go ahead and use the same VST to create the top notes. All right, let's go. We speeding it up. We're going to copy the bottom notes and we're going to copy and paste them down below, just the bottom notes, all right? All right, let's copy these and let's drag them over to the track 3. And what we're going to do in track 3, we're going to find another instrument just to play the chord progression. All right, let's go. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to pull the mixer up, and we're going to send both of these to submix 1, and we're going to drop on the submix 1, we're going to drop a halftime on submix 1. Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna leave it off there for now. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. What? I messed up on that one, but y'all know what I mean to say, right? Let's get it, man. As always, you know what I like to say, man. I'm gonna leave that one in there too, alright? So let's go. Let's get it, man. As always, welcome to the channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, alright? Let's get it.